Good morning, all of you. My name is Amit Sishodia, and I'm going to discuss about MS PowerPoint. So today we are going to learn about what is PowerPoint, why we use MS PowerPoint, and how we can create presentation in MS PowerPoint. So basically, MS PowerPoint is a application software that will help you to create presentation. If you want to deliver some presentation to your audience, then you have to create that in a presentation software. So MS PowerPoint is a presentation software. It is an application software that will help you to create presentation. MS PowerPoint is a part of MS Office, so where you can make the presentation. Now, how you can open the MS PowerPoint? So right now I am using Windows 11. So in this, what I have to do, I have to just click on the start button. Then I have to scroll uh, over the application, and I have to point out the PowerPoint. So I have to click on this PowerPoint. When I click on this PowerPoint, a window will appear. This type of window will appear on your screen. Now, what you have to do, you can either select the templates, predefined templates, or you can create your own presentation also. Okay, you can do the editing work, or you can design your presentation by your own also. If you want to create your presentation or design by your own, then you have to select the blank presentation. And if you want to make the quick presentation, then you can use the templates also. So I'm going to use the blank presentation. So I have to click here. Now this window will appear. Okay, so this is your slide, and this is your layout of your slide. You can change the layout of your slide also, but first slide that is we have to create is about the title. So first we have to write the title of our slides. So today we are going to make a presentation of computer. Okay, so we are going to present our presentation to the audience about computer. So I'm writing computer and subtitle about computer. Okay, so now I have to add a new slide. Now, how I can add a new slide? In home tab there is an option new slide. So you have to click on this new slide. So when you click on this new slide, there are various layout that will be appeared on your screen. In this drop down menu, what you have to select, you have to select a slide from the uh, different layouts. So I'm going to make a slide with the title and content. So I am going to select this one. Okay, now I will write computer. So now I have to define what is computer. So computer is a electronic device that will help you to. Okay, so computer is electronic device that will help us to do different tasks. Okay, now uh, I'm going to write one more point that it is a combination of. It is a combination of hardware and software. So I have done this one. Now I want to add new slide. Then again I have to click on this new slide. Suppose by mistake I have selected this one. Now I don't want this one slide. So what I have to do? Either I can delete this slide, okay, but I can change the layout of this slide also without deleting it. What I have to do, in this home tab there is an option, layout option. Okay, when you click on this one, you can change the layout of your slide also. Okay, so you can select the title and content. Now I am going to write hardware. Okay, now I am writing about hardware. It is a tangible. computer that you can touch and see. Okay. Now again I want to create a new slide, then new slide title and content. Now I'm writing a software. So software basically is a set of com is a set of programs designed to perform specific task. Okay, there are two types of software. There are two types of software. First one is application, and second one system software. Okay, so this is a way by which you can create your presentation. You can add slide in your presentation. Now I want to do the editing work, formatting work. Okay, now it will not look attractive. So what I have to do, I have to do the formatting of this. How I can do this? I have to click on this insert, and then I will select a design for this presentation according to the themes that are available here. So suppose I will click here. Now our slides theme will be changed. Now what else I can do, I can insert pictures also. So for that I have to click on insert and then online pictures, and then I am going to write computer. Okay, so I have to select a computer pictures. So suppose I am going to click this one. Okay, then insert. Now this picture will be inserted. Now I will resize this picture. Okay, now it look attractive. Now I'm going to define the computer. So again I'm going to add picture. This is a way by which you can add pictures in your slides. Okay, now again computer, one more picture that I need. Suppose this one. Okay, insert it. Now what I have to do, I have to resize this picture. Okay, now next one is hardware. So I need a picture of computer hardware. So I am writing computer hardware. Okay, so this is your computer hardware. Okay, so I am inserting the picture here. So now again I want to resize this picture. So this is your computer hardware. And next software. Again I have to write software. Okay, so from here I can add a picture of software. Okay, so suppose this one is okay, fine. So I'm going to insert. Okay, so this is intangible part that you cannot touch. Okay, these are your apps. Okay, now I have created my presentation. Now I want to add some transition effect or animation effect so it will look more attractive. So how I can do, there's a tab transition effect. Transition effect will add special animation effect to your slide, so how it will appear when you're going to present it. Okay, so you can add animation effect to your slide. Okay, so these are the animation effect that we can add to our slide. Okay, there are so many options, you can select any one from here. Okay, and then I will select different for different I'm selecting different transition effect for the different slides. Okay, now this one is okay, and then okay, now I have applied my transition effect. Now I am going to present my slide. So what I have to do, I have to click on slideshow and then from beginning. Okay, so when I'm going to play my presentation, then it will look like this, and transition effects are also visible to us. Okay, so here also we have applied the curtains transition effect. Okay, so now our presentation is complete. Now I want to add animation effects basically applied on the objects. Okay, right now I have applied the transition effect that is applied on the slide. Now I'm going to add animation effect that will be applied on the objects. What are objects on the slide? So whatever the text that we have inserted in our slide, whatever the pictures, so these are the objects, these are called objects. So I'm going to add this one. Okay, so I'm going to add animation effect on my, okay, so like this I can add animation effect on each and every object also. Okay, so whatever you want to add, you can add. There are some basic effects that are available here, animation effects. You, if you want more effects, then what you have to do, you have to click on this option. A drop down menu will appear. Here are the four options. Entrance means it will show you how your text or the object will come in your slide. So when you want your object to come in your slide, then you have to select on the entrance effect. Okay, suppose I'm going to select entrance effect. Now there's various options, you can select any one. Okay, so it looks like that your text will come in your, yeah, it will enter in your slide. Okay, so you can select any one from here. Okay, there are so many options that you can select any one. Okay, now suppose I have to select a spiral. Okay, now I have to click OK button. Now come to the last slide. In last slide we are going to use exit effect. Okay, exit effect, for this I am going to use wipe. Okay, and for this one I am going to use again exit effect, exit base exit effect. Now there are so many options, you can select any one, float. Okay, or you can credit. Okay, bounce. Okay, and I want to apply effect on this slide also. So exit effect may, we can select it zoom. Okay, then okay. Now I want to apply motion effect also. Now for this I have to select the object and then click on the motion effect, and there are so many options that you can select, like hexagon, right triangle, okay, funnel, okay, and then spiral. Okay, you can select any one. Or now I want to apply it on any other else. No, I have applied. So when you applied animation effect, then how you can check the animation effect will be applied on it or not. So here you can see that number one is written here. So only in this one we have applied the animation effect. When I am going to select the fourth slide, then I have applied the animation effect on this one, then second, then third. So this is a sequence of the effects that going to play when we are going to play our animation. So let's play our animation, play our presentation. Okay, So first I have to click, and then this one is a transition effect. Now I will click. This is a animation effect. Okay, this is also animation effect on the object, and then this is also an animation effect. Now this one is a slight transition effect. Now when I click, so this one is a animation effect. Okay. Now this one is slight animation effect. Okay. This one is also slight animation effect. Okay. Now, after completing your presentation, what you have to do, you have to add one more slide. In that slide, you have to write the thank you. Okay. So new slide, and it should be with the title only. Okay. So I am going to write title thank you. Okay. So now our presentation is complete. So you can do that. After completing your slide, you can write thank you. Now I want to do the formatting on the text also. What I can do, I have to select the text, then click on the home tab, and you can select any style from here. Okay, you can select any style from here. Okay, you can add color to also it also. Okay, and suppose I want to apply effects. I want to do the formatting of this text also. Then what I have to do, I have to first select the text, then I have to select the style. Suppose I have to select this one, and then I can add color to this one. Okay, suppose this one. Okay, and software again blue, and then you can add style, or you can change the color also. Okay, so this is a way by which you can create your presentation and make it more attractive. Okay, by adding pictures, objects, effects on your presentation. Okay, so you can make it more attractive. Okay, you can increase the size also. Okay, and you can adjust the position of your text and objects. Okay, and suppose I want to write my name also. So what I have to do, I have to click on insert and then text box, and then I have to uh, okay, when I click here text box, my by. Okay, so I have added the text box. Now I can resize it also and place it somewhere wherever I want. Now if I want to provide color or do the formatting, then I can do that also. Okay, and I can make it bold, italic. Okay, can change the style also. Okay, so this is a way by which you can make a attractive presentation. Here I have created a presentation on computer topic. You can make a presentation on any topic. Okay, so there are many topics that you can prepare a presentation. Mainly presentation is created to give a presentation to our audience. Means when you're going to present your topic to the audience, means when there are so many persons whom you want to present something, then you have to create a presentation. So I hope you have learned the various options that are available in MS PowerPoint, and you can use it and create your own presentation. Okay, and if there is any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you, class.